Okay, so this is for a loop. Remember when we fold, we always fold on the dashed lines. There's a couple strategies you can use. You can use a ruler, draw the line like that, kind of with a pen. Make sure it's really make sure you press into it really hard and you follow it straight. And then when you're folding, we want to make sure that you can fold back and front. The better you have folds, the better your roller coaster is going to be. And then other way. So you want to have your roller coaster and you're going to kind of fold it so that the printed portion is on the outside. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you are going to cut on all of these black lines. And you're going to cut to the crease. Like so. So then when you're done, it'll look like this. You'll have them all cut and all that. You're going to want to keep it this length. It'll make it easier. You could trim it if you needed to make a shorter circle, but you're really not. Now this is where teamwork's going to come in. You can kind of see right here, you notice there's little gray pieces. So you're going to take your tape, and you only want to use a little bit of tape. You don't want to use a ton of tape with this. So teamwork would be good if someone folds and someone pulls off tape. And you're going to take it, and you're going to take your paper, and you're going to want to fold it so it stops right over the shadowed part. You want to get as close as you can. I like to take it so I have a little tape, and then I fold it over. That's a good strategy. As you start, you're going to use a lot of tape. As you go with this, I like to kind of do one side, like a couple on one side. And then I fold it over and do on the other side. So do like 2 or 3 at a time and then flip to the other side and fold. And as you're doing it, you're going to keep folding and folding, and then this will be your final product. And you can it's going to want it to look like a very nice circle, very straight. You don't want to have a lot of bumps or anything like that with it. And this is how you make a loop.